Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact folder you want to change paths for. Use File, then Open Folder, or press Ctrl+K, then Ctrl+O to pick the new route. Once done, check the Explorer panel to confirm files and subfolders appear. If you use a multi-root workspace, add or remove folders from File, Add Folder to Workspace so the top-level path reflects your intended project. Make sure extensions like Remote or WSL are connected if you're working on a remote file system. Next, update workspace configuration and any settings tied to absolute paths. Open the Code Workspace file or workspace settings and change path entries such as Python path, Node path, or default terminal CWD. Use search and replace across the workspace for hard-coded strings inside settings. JSON, launch, JSON, tasks, JSON, and extension configs. Once you edit those files, reload the window from the command palette to ensure changes take effect. This avoids stale caches and makes sure tasks, debugging, and extensions reference the new location. Finally, complete the transition by fixing tasks, version control, and terminal settings so operations run under the new path. Replace absolute paths with $workspace folder in tasks. JSON and launch. JSON to keep things portable. If the repository moved, set the git root or reinitialize with git init and reconnect remotes. Restart any integrated terminals to pick up the new working directory. If something breaks, run developer. Toggle developer tools and inspect console errors. Common issues are permission errors or lingering absolute paths in extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.